So today I'm going to be making this cute little origami envelope that's really super easy and you don't really need much supplies. Okay, so I'm going to be using this 6x6, I think it's 6x6. Yeah, 6x6 piece of paper to make my envelope. I'm going to use this striped side, but you can also use a piece of paper. So like take a piece of paper and you can fold it in half into a triangle like this, and then you can cut it with your scissors and and then you just unfold it, and that would be a square. But I'm going to be making it with this today, and so I'm going to get started. So the first step is to fold it in half. Like this. And the next step is to unfold it and fold in these triangles. Fold make triangles and fold them into the center. Okay, so this is what it should look like. Now you're gonna bring this tip down to where this paper meets. So it should look like this. Okay, so now you're going to bring these like flaps down like this. Like this. And so it kind of looks like a rectangle. It looks like it's like a rectangle. So that's what you do first. Those are the first steps. And the next step after folding it into the rectangle thing is folding it in half. You can turn it around to fold it in half. So you fold it in half like this. There. Like that. So and you can like make it a bit lower than that, which I recommend doing. So and then the next step is to flip back down and fold in the edges like this. Work with my paper. And like this. So like when you fold it back down, it'll look like this. So that's this folding it in. Okay. Now, the next step is to unfold this and unfold. So this is like this. This is a triangle at the top. You're gonna unfold that. It's going to become a diamond. Okay. So the step after that is, well, the next step is to like hold your fingers, 2 fingers or 1 finger, how many ever fingers, right here, and hold it down while you use your other fingers to like lift this up, and same on the other side. Like this. So it's like an eye. I guess that's how I could explain it. And so this is like a pocket now, and so you're gonna put the card in or whatever you're putting in the envelope. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna just push your fingers in like this, and it's like gonna fold in like it wants to. And so it's just gonna be like the pocket in there, put anything in there, and so you're just gonna fold that in. And so that's basically it. You just fold this into the pocket, and then that's like the back, and this is the front. And so what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to color or like a design or like, I don't know, like an animal maybe on the front, which is the side that has no folds on it. And this is the back. So I'm going to do that right now. So I'm going to draw a lion. So I'm going to get my colors. Okay, so I'm done drawing my lion on the envelope. So that's basically it. It's like it's a really easy and short craft to do, and you can do this all the time. So bye bye.